there she is. Stay away from that pumpkin. Hey, Freya, leave the pumpkin. Someone's thrown a pumpkin. We left Anglesey. We read quite a bit about Anglesey has become notoriously bad for Vanlife, but we still wanted to go across and go to our little spots at Beaumaris. We then drove off, and there are a couple of spots, and to be fair, they were really quiet, but obviously we come away in the van to get views in the morning like this if we can. And the two spots we found were right in the middle of housing estates and by shops, and they didn't look like there was anything wrong with them. They were peaceful, they were tidy, but they were just right in the middle of it all. And all the spots down on the front, apart from that beach we were on last night, have got no overnight stays, no camping. So we left Anglesey and we came along to Caernarfon, and it's been a lovely morning here. It was blowing a hoolie last night. It was very, very windy. But this morning it's pretty calm. Smile. Come on then. We're in Caernarfon. Maximus doesn't want to be in Caernarfon. Can you see it? Wow. Come on, bubble catcher.
No. Oh, you're too big to sit in a baby's seat.
I do want my baby.
You did, yeah.
Of course you did.
You did.
That's quite Art Deco in design, isn't it? Just shoved in the middle there.
Is my white camera still scoping you out of your boredom?
Is what?
Just still scoping you out my white camera?
Oh, and swords.
Going out on the town tonight.
Careful.
Careful. Wow.
What's his name?
What's his name? Armour.
Was the armour?
Yeah.
Wow, look. You're not going to get him. What have you been buying?
There was a sale. There was a sale.
There was a sale. Oh, it's a lantern.
Two
lanterns.
£15 for two.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's more reasonably priced than the mountain train. £10 for adults and £5 for kids.
It is, but
Shell's terribly seasick, so we won't be going on the because the Menai is known for being a bit choppy.
not only would I be sick instantly, I'm usually poorly for about 24 hours afterwards as well.
So I'll be getting told off for 3 days for making a go on a boat.
Yeah. I'll sit that one out, thanks. You and Max can go if you want.
No, I'm all right.
I'll go and lie down in the bed.
Honestly, I can live without that one, I think. It's not bad rig over there, is it? Oh, he's got the hinge kit on with the back box on, the mule stuff.
Yeah.
Bike rack. Crikey.
He's not going to be bagging it round roads like we go down there,
No.
is he? That's why we built it, so we could.
We don't mind a few adventure scratches, do we?
Nope, not at all.
Is that what they called them?
Adventure scars.
Adventure scars. I quite like that though. Anyway, Caernarfon Castle. We're not going in today. We've both been in before, haven't we?
Yeah, it is. It's definitely worth a visit.
Oh, 100%.
It's really nice.
Just getting Maximus out of the car to have a wander around though was a task in itself and involved threat of going home just so we could have a look round. Yeah, just getting him out was a task. There's the bridge, look.
Hello, Sam.
There's the Anglesey pub. We sat there and had some lunch before, haven't we?
Yes.
And it was you and I and Roman.
Yes.
That's some years back now.
That is.
15 years ago. 16 years ago.
Okay.
So where we stayed last night is along the coastal road there. We came back round this morning. We may stop there again tonight.
Yeah, it was lovely and quiet, wasn't it?
It was.
I mean, it did get blustery and windy and rainy.
Yeah,
but
it didn't bother though, did it?
No, it
Rocked
shook.
the van a bit,
It
but
did.
it was still really
The
nice.
van was a rocking,
Yeah.
but nothing was going on.
Hello! That's a giant anchor, isn't it?
Which anchor are you talking
Well, I know a few giant ones, but that's a giant anchor. Oh, you're so funny.
That's so funny.
Well, we've left Caernarfon. He didn't want to stay at the place we stayed last night. We drove round and tried to find a place. So we've come back into Snowdonia National Park and we're on the other side of Snowdon now at Beddgelert Forest. And we're just going to have a look and see what this river is, but there's lots of do's and don'ts signs by the look of it. Oh, look at the white horsey. Yeah, it's pretty here, but there's another one up there. Can't swim here. Yeah, it's back in the van. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It's absolutely beautiful.
We've got to get somewhere where he can go and swim. And
Yeah, he needs to get his sensory needs met, doesn't he? So we'll have to find somewhere.
Find somewhere else.
Not
Keep
for the
on
ones
moving.
to try in there.
No.
£100 worth of fuel.
Driving around looking for places to swim.
He's worth it.
Anywho, off we go.
Again.
is it?
So we finally found the boys' water and the dog.
Llyn Mair, I think it's called.
You'll have to.
Festiniog Railway.
Yeah.
Festiniog Steam Railway is just there.
And it runs right along.
Goes around the lakes, I think. There's been a few aircraft going over as well, but we've not seen them. It's a lovely afternoon, early evening, though, isn't it?
Evening, yeah. And Max is in the water.
He's over there. He got in
Freya's
straight
been
away. Freya's been diving for rocks.
We had a lovely little robin come and visit us. I think he was looking for some remnants of picnic, but we haven't had a picnic, have we?
No, he was posing though for the photo.
Yeah.
I'll
Switching
put a
sides to
couple
get
up
his
because he was
best side.
switching into the light and then moving down. He was really cute.
Yes.
Took the drone over and captured some of the autumnal colours.
We haven't driven that road before coming in, have we?
No, that one from where were we? The forest. Oh, come on.
Well, we
No. I'll put it on the screen where we went and where we went to and the road we drove, because it looked like there's a walk along there, and it was awesome, wasn't
it's
it?
near them gardens.
Yeah,
What
that
was
garden was called Broden. No, I'll put that on as well on screen. We're terrible, aren't we? Tired now. It's been a long day again. We thought we'd be having an easy day, having a wander around Caernarfon.
There's never an easy day, is there?
And then
Well, we
nipping
thought
back
we'd
to the
have
park up,
a pretty stress-free day, but it's not.
It didn't work out that way.
Freya, come on. Come this way. Good girl.
Anyway, he's got his water now. He's happy. He's been in for about 3/4 of an hour,
Have you
hasn't
shown them?
he? He's over there somewhere,
Loving life.
splashing his way about. As the sun sets over the hill.
Yeah. He stood in the sun. He's not daft, is he?
There we go. Leaning a bit.
What, like we like each other?
Yeah.
We do, actually. We just live a very stressful life.
But yeah, I thought it would be an easy day. with very little driving. I thought I could nip down into Caernarfon and have a wander. It took 15 minutes to bribe him out of the car.
Well, it wasn't bribe. It was more like, if you don't get out for these 15 minutes, then we'll
And
go
let
in,
us
we'll go
actually do
down.
something we want to do.
Just one thing.
I
And
drove
the whole
for
week,
5 hours yesterday just for you. 5 hours of driving.
and we drove another
3 hours today.
Because
well.
we find Warsham, it's really busy. And it's not suitable, is it?
No.
Because he doesn't like crowds, people with dogs. If a dog comes over to Freya,
starts shouting and
starts
jumping.
shouting, jumping, and that energy sets the dogs off, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then everybody gets going, and
yeah.
it's hard to try and say to him, please don't do that.
Because
Then he starts shouting at us, then it escalates into something else, and it's just easier to be
away
away
from the
yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
He's done
and-
it here. I was just doing a bit of writing, and Graham was doing his photography, and we took our eye off Freya for a little minute, and the dog came over, and
Max was out and
Max
jumping
was
and
out
going,
because she barked at the dog, and yeah, it creates a whole escalation really quickly, doesn't it?
It ties you as well mentally, doesn't it? I
Yeah.
mean, mentally exhaused today
I mean,
again.
I used to be able to have a conversation using words with more than 3 syllables.
Yeah.
That one can't even remember the name of the time.
I just used to be able to have a conversation.
Yeah.
And when people ask me
Freya,
things,
come
I knew
here.
answers. Right in, submerged.
Submerged.
He's such a plonker.
He's happy.
He is, he's happy. The sun's dipping. We did have some clouds in the sky before. I thought it was going to pink up, but it may still do. It may still do. Anyway, we're going to have to... I don't think we can stay over here.
No. We'll give him until he wants to get out, really.
Yeah, it must be coming soon, because he's been in, like I say, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. I don't quite know, really, to be honest. He's played with Freya, he's burnt off a lot of his energy.
But it's best just to let him come out when he's ready, and then
Or,
we'll have a peaceful-ish evening, won't we?
Hopefully. We've still got to
Make
find
some
somewhere to
food,
park, though.
yeah.
And we're We're a good hour and a half away, aren't we, from where we were this morning in Caernarfon. We're probably closer to Clanroost than we are to Caernarfon. But yeah, Blenau Festiniog, is that how you say it? Blenau Festiniog. That's around this hill that we're next to here. That's on the other side of the hill. And that's where all the slate mines are, isn't it? That's where Blenau Festiniog's where it reminds me of the mines in Moria every time we come through it. I love the big, it's like this gigantic walls of slate that ride back up the mountain where they've put all the offcuts. Do they call it swore? I can't remember now. I can't remember. We've been around the slate mine, but I can't remember what they call it. But anyway, all the spoil, maybe. Anyway, it's all up the sides of the road. So there is a park up in Blenau Festiniog.
Oh, is there?
Apparently, but it's just a car park one like last night on Anglesey. Anglesey was a nightmare to try and find anything.
We did find a really nice one though, didn't we, in the end?
In the end, yeah, that one by
first one,
Caernarfon.
right near the shop.
Like it, did you?
And next to a block of flats. Yeah.
It wasn't really what we built the van for, was it? But
well, no, because we're not into going out and we can't go out and drink anyway, do we? So
no.
This is ours, isn't it?
Yeah, this is nice.
Even if Maximum Friend
we enjoy the peace and tranquility of it all.
Yours. In fact, I'd probably go and make some tea and have it out here.
Yeah. The cup of soup.
That's what we've lived on.
it's just easier.
Max hasn't.
It's so much easier for us.
Set meals on set days, but by the time I've made
sandwich
his,
and cup of soup.
we've been saying, we'll just have a cup of soup and a sandwich, ham sandwich. But yeah, I think what I'm going to do next time is cook a load of meals and freeze them and bring them frozen
and just warm them through.
Yeah,
that'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah. No. No.
Look at all the little fish. Little fish jumping now.
Is there?
Yeah. He finally decided he had enough, and so we packed up, got in the van, and headed to the park up for the night. We drove about an hour out to the coast so we could get up in the morning and get to a beach that we know and love. That's where we'll catch up with you next time. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please do give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you're not already, please subscribe. And if you're considering getting a lithium-ion battery, we recommend Roma, and all of our journeys and travels so far in the van are powered by Roma. So, yeah, please check out the link in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye now.